Hey guys, so today, guess what came in the mail yesterday? What came in the mail yesterday though? It's a Fidget Cube. You're probably wondering how this is a Fidget Cube or that's not a Fidget Cube. Watch. Unbox. A black Fidget Cube, guys. So look, you turn the ball. I think this is like the main button thing. Alright, so I'm gonna put it right there. Watch. Wait. There it is. There it is, guys. My Fidget Cube. And the new video will be up. And like after this video is up, here's these little buttons you can click on. This button and this button, those two, don't like click like these. You see those click and the middle button. But these two don't click. And what I don't like about this is when you turn it, it doesn't go click, click, click when you turn. And here there you can see my camera, which is my phone that I record. And this, it's so you can feel it, it's smooth. And this, you turn it right there, like that. You turn on the thing, a little handy thing. And then here's, like, if you like picking your pen in class, you can just use this Fidget Cube like that. So yeah. Alright. Yeah. I'm not gonna end the video right now because that's very short. So I'll be showing you about the Fidget Cube. My favorite thing here on a Fidget Cube is this. Because it's nothing and stuff. And my aunt, I guess, I don't know what. She's probably grandma. She's playing music. So my baby brother can go to sleep. And I can hear him. I don't think he's going to sleep. But right now. Oh yeah, and also guys, I ordered this online. Shout out to SML because I love watching SML. Savage Dance. Savage Dance. Savage. It's funny and fun. And this you can get like 2 of them and pretend you're playing like on a controller, like, yeah, I'm gonna beat you with a friend, and they get also 2 of them. Yeah, you'll need 4 if you want to do it with a friend. Yeah. So look, a Fidget Cube. Okay. Now it's kidding. That was a pretty bad one. Hold on. Let me do it again. A Fidget Cube. Alright. Let me watch that scene. Alright guys, I already watched that scene. I saw it. Let me start that over again. It was really bad. Fidget Cube. You know. Yeah, Fidget Cube. And now Bowser Jr. Okay, I'm gonna watch that scene real quick. Alright, I already watched that scene. It was kind of terrible. Put pause and try to see the Fidget Cube. You kind of already saw it, right? Okay, do it. I don't think you can see it. Ow! My ankle. try to see it when I throw it. Oh, you saw that perfectly, right? What about this? You can see this, like, obviously. Can you tell, if you didn't know that this was a Fidget Cube yet, can you tell that this is a Fidget Cube? Can you tell if this is a Fidget Cube? Like, but if you didn't know? I don't think so. I'm doing it way too fast. You see it? I'm just kidding, I wasn't even doing it. I'm gonna throw my Fidget Cube. Wait. I'll throw my Fidget Cube, okay, guys? Did you hear that? I'm just kidding. Watch. I just did this. Like so much. Now let's try. I want you guys to watch. I'm just kidding. Yeah. So this is my favorite gear. It has so many gears. There. No, it doesn't show the leap in. Does it? No, it doesn't. Let's see if you can put pause. And then when I throw it up, it'll show like that kind of. Like so you can see it. I don't know what I'll do with my spare time. I'll probably make another video. Or so yeah, that will cut the video for. So peace.